hiccups. Keeper was having fun with Lee. They had a drink. Hitch, said Keeper. He had hiccups. Sure. Get a cup of water, said Lee. Did that get rid of the hiccups? Said Lee. Hick, said Keeper. Hick. Drink it like this, said Biff. Did that get rid of them? Said Biff. Hick, said Keeper. Try hopping and petting your thumb, said Chip. Has that got rid